how can just followers that you follow back on TikTok can tag you in their videos on TikTok. Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video. First, you will go to TikTok. Then on TikTok, you will go to profile, and then on profile, you will just go here to this three line. Then you will go to settings and privacy, and then on settings and privacy, you will go to privacy. After this, you will go to mentions and tags. Then you will click on tags, and you will click followers that you follow back, like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.